In this lecture, I want to talk about header tag. I resize my web browser. Okay. In body tag, I create a first header tag h1 and close h1. This is first header tag. Save and refresh. You see it's big and bold. I want to create another header tag that is h2. This tag is smaller than h1. Save. There you go. h2 tag is smaller than h1 tag. Create another one, h3. This tag is smaller than h2. Refresh, smaller than h2. h3 is smaller than h2. h4. This tag is smaller than h3. Close it, save. There you go. h4 is smaller than h3. h5. This tag is smaller than h4. h5 is smaller than h4. h6. This tag is smaller than h5. Save. There you go. Smaller, smaller, smaller. And h6 is smaller than h5. h7. This is not header tag. Save. We have just h1 to h6 headers tag. We have not h7. That is not header tag, and the font is not similar others, and we have not h7 tag. Okay, then we have h1 to h6 tags. Okay, I will see you in next lecture. Good luck.